Lenovo's latest Legion 7 gaming laptops are its most powerful and portable yet 2022 have been unveiled. The 16-inch Legion 7 and 7i, that I denotes Intel CPUs, can be configured with the current best of the best in terms of processors and graphics. At the top of the line are the Legion 7 and 7i, which Lenovo said are the world's most powerful 16-inch gaming laptops. A pair of thinner, lighter versions, the Slim 7 and 7i, were also announced. The Legion 7, AMD, and 7i, Intel, feature a 16-inch 2560x1 600 resolution 1610 display with either a 165Hz refresh rate or a variable refresh rate up to 240Hz and 500 nit brightness. There are 3 display choices, including a mini LED one with a peak brightness of 1250 nits and 100% P3 color gamut coverage. The body of these laptops is made from aluminum and magnesium and has RGB lighting pouring from its keyboard, fan vents, lid and front edge. The redesigned keyboard has a little more key travel than its predecessor as well as improved curved keycaps and force sensors on the WASD keys for greater control over the acceleration of in-game characters. Other features include a 99.99 Wh battery, a Full HD webcam with a privacy shutter and a large port assortment including 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet, HDMI 2.1 and Thunderbolt 4, Legion 7i, and USB 4, Legion 7. The Legion 7i will start at $2,449 when it starts shipping later in May. That converts to roughly £1,985 or 3,520 Australian dollars. The Legion 7 arrives in June, starting at $2,059. Those who don't mind trading some gaming performance for increased portability will want to look at the Legion Slim 7 or 7i. The body is 16mm thick, 0.6 inch, and has a starting weight of 2 kg, 4.4 pounds. By comparison, the regular Legion 7 is 19mm, 0.8 inch, and 2.5 kg, 5.5 pounds. The Slim 7 has the same display choices but adds a 1920x1 200 resolution option, too. Combined with more mid-range graphics chips, this model starts at a more affordable price of $1,519 for the Slim 7 and $1,589 for the Slim 7i. The port assortment isn't quite as full as the Legion 7 set, there's no Ethernet jack for example. But the Slim 7 does have one advantage that makes this a little more attractive for those who are gamers and creators, a full-size SD card slot. The Legion 7i and Slim 7i will be available later this month while the Legion 7 and Slim 7 arrive in June. Of course, due to the continued chip shortages and supply chain problems, the timing could slip or availability could be limited to specific